CloudHub default Anypoint VPC architecture. Here you can see the default Anypoint VPC architecture in CloudHub. The Anypoint VPC is logically private and isolated network hosted inside CloudHub. You can connect to a private intranet to your Anypoint VPC as if they were all part of a single private network. Anypoint VPC configuration exposes the DNS record mule-worker-internal, then app name .cloudhub.io. This DNS record, which includes the IP address of all your workers, this DNS record cannot be accessed from outside your Anypoint VPC. Each Anypoint VPC allows you to configure firewall rules to check inbound connections directly to your workers. For firewall rules created by default, two rules that allows you private address space to connect through the ports HTTP ports 8091 and 892, and rules that allow external request proxies by the CloudHub shared load balancer. And here the 881 and 882 also here, and the shared load balancer ports through 881 and 882 here. All traffic that is not allowed in the firewall rule is blocked by default. Here graphic shows the default Anypoint VPC architecture. Here you can see public internet is connected to DNS record here. Here the shared load balancer, DNS record, and here the VPCI in CloudHub. Here the DNS record is in the shared load balancer. Here the DNS record, here the HTTP ://appname.region.cloudhub.io, and it is connected to DNS record via HTTP 881 88 HTTP and 882 443 HTTPS to the DNS record. Here the you can see the DNS record. Here the HTTP :// mule worker app name .region cloudhub.io port, and DNS record is connected to firewall rules here. Here worker app names, firewall rules, and DNS records are in VPC here. Here the VPC 10.10.0.0/24. Here the here there's a DNS record. DNS record interacts with IPsec tunnel, VPC peering, and direct connect. Here you can see the DNS records. HTTP :// mule worker internal app name .region.cloudhub.io 8091, and same with 8092, and DNS record is connected to firewall rules. Here the firewall rules are connected to worker app name. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.